We've been doing all kinds of things to prepare for our gardens for this coming year. And one of those things that we've done is just allow the potatoes to grow. These are our little red potatoes that we picked up at the grocery store that decided to go ahead and grow. And we're just letting them grow. And of course, back there, that little thing is some bell pepper seeds. I always save the bell pepper seeds. And then we have some dried flowers. Some of those flowers will have seeds on them, and we can plant those for the following year. And we have different plants here, that are house plants, like a poinsettia, a coffee plant, a little spider plant, another coffee plant, 2 avocado trees, and a couple of other little odds and ends here. But, even though we've got our potatoes growing, look outside. That's my 4x8 fall garden area. And it's been really cold here. Cold and snowy. A lot of ice. Most of that out there was freezing rain, sleet and ice, and now it's covered with snow. And but we're still preparing for the gardens. I think I have maybe a month and a half left before, in my area, it's recommended that we have our gardens put in. So I'm gonna have a bunch of potatoes sprouted. Of course, these are already sprouted, but we're gonna end up with a lot more. So those would really be ready to be put in the dirt. And in my area, we can get frost all the way up to the end of April. So they say in our area, it's recommended to have our gardens in by May 1st. Because anything that grows up above ground level, the frost would kill back, right? So anyway, I guess that's another little garden update. I'll talk to you later.